Hello everyone, my name is Widya Alvia. I'm from Tech University, majoring D3 Informatic Management Study Program, and my number student is 232830009. In this video, we learn together about one of the traditions in Indonesia.
Indonesia is a country rich in culture and tradition. Each region has its own culture, heritage, and tradition. For example, in Central Java. Central Java, located in the central part of Java Island, is one of the provinces richest in cultural heritage in Indonesia. Known as the heart of Javanese culture, these provinces hold various traditions and cultural riches that have been passed down from generation to generation. One of the interesting aspects of Central Javanese culture is the diversity of traditional rituals and ceremonies, which they are still very strongly guarded by the local community. One example of this tradition is Tedak Siten. Tedak Siten comes from the word Tedak, which means to step down, and Siten or city, which means land. So, Tedak Siten is a tradition of the setting food on the ground from a child. The Tedak Siten ceremonies take place when the child is 7 months old in the Javanese calendar or 8 months in the Gregorian calendar. At this age, children usually start to learn to walk, so this is the first moment when children start to put their feet on the ground. The Tedak Siten tradition, apart from being a cultural preservation activity, is also a series of activities that symbolize the guidance of parents to their children in pursuing life through a series of processing and ubarabe that are used. During the Tedak Siten tradition process, there are several series of activities that need to be carried out. Namely is activity number 1, clean your feet. In this process, parents carry their children to wash their feet clean before setting the child's feet on the ground. This activity means that the children is starting to walk on the ground, which means starting to live a life that needs to be done with a pure heart. Activity number 2, walk through the 7 jata. In this activity, children are guided to walk on 7 pieces of jada with different colors. The 7 colors are red, white, green, yellow, blue, pink, and purple. 7 is Japanese is called pitu, with the hope that in the future the children will always receive pitulungan or help from the Al-Mikdi in overcoming life's difficulties. Activity number 3, ladder from Wolong sugar cane. In this procession, children are invited by their parents to climb 7 start made from sugar cane stalk. The bu comes from the word Antebeng Kalbu, which means full of determination and self-confidence. This ritual illustration that the baby will fetch his life journey day by day until it reaches its birth. In this activity, the child's parents are accompanied. This illustration the family support from the children in living his day ahead. Activity number 4 is confinement. In this procession, the child is placed in a chicken cake or cake. Inside the cake, there are various objects such as jewelry, notebook, rice, toys, and so on. This chicken take depicts the real life that children will enter when they grow up. The object in the check will later be taken by the child to represent the profession they want to pursue when they grow up.
Activity number 5 is give udik-udik. Udik-udik, namely coins mixed with various flour. In this procession, the undik-undik are distributed to the children and adults who attend the event. The hope is that in the future, if the children is blessed with sufficient sustenance, he can donate his sustenance to the poor. That is a brief explanation of one of the Japanese tradition, namely Tedaksiten. We as the younger generation must always maintain the cultural riches of our country. Japanese tradition continue to maintain cultural riches that inspire and teach the meaning of simplicity and harmony in our lives. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.